For this step, you'll need 12 inverter extender arms. Start by attaching one extender arm to each angle brace. Grip the arm firmly and push it straight into the brace until it clicks into place. The number of extender arms will vary depending on your generator's size. For the original size canopy, aim for a rectangle measuring 35 inches long by 24 inches wide. For our XL inverter kit, aim for a base perimeter of 42 inches by 28 inches. Begin on the exhaust panel side of the generator. Angle the extender arms outward and measure from the outermost rod holder. Add arms until you reach a width of about 24 inches, plus or minus an inch. Once you've found the correct hole positions, either remember them or mark them with tape. You'll need these when installing the frame rods. Now move to the opposite side of the generator. Match the number of extender arms used on the exhaust side and position them at a 45-degree angle. From your previously marked position, measure across to the furthest hole on the opposite side. If that measurement isn't at least 35 inches, plus or minus an inch. Add more extender arms until it is. You may need to add more arms on the exhaust side as well. Never use more than 2 extender arms on the exhaust side. This ensures proper ventilation. If needed, adjust your layout or realign your original measurement to stay within this limit. Again, mark or remember the correct hole position. Repeat this process on the remaining sides. Double-check your measurements all the way around. For our standard inverter kit, your target is a 35-inch by 24-inch rectangle. For our XL inverter kit, aim for a base perimeter of 42 inches by 28 inches.